Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to get your Twitter QR coder. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the top left corner. From the side panel, tap on your name. Tap on three dots from the top left corner. Then tap on the QR code. And you will get your QR code. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to get your Twitter QR code on Twitter. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.